Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're going to talk about the F distribution and how it relates to hypothesis test. So, the F distribution is used in hypothesis tests that compare variances or involve multiple groups. It is positively skewed and depends on two sets of degrees of freedom, then being the numerator df1 and the denominator df2. So what we've done is we've got a question about using an ANOVA. And I know in a previous video, I think we did an ANOVA by hand, but in this video, we're not going to do it by hand. We're going to do it with the data analysis toolpath. So this is a one-way ANOVA, testing whether the average monthly sales differ across three regions in a company. So you've got your month and your north, south, and east. So you come over here and so you block off your 12 months for 3. You come over here to where it says data and where it says data analysis. So you're going to have a one-way ANOVA, ANOVA single factor, ANOVA two factor. So we're going to try an ANOVA single factor and see what it says. Okay. And then it says your input range is going to be B4 to D16. It's going to be grouped by columns. You're going to have row on the first label. And then we're going to say you can do like your output range. And then for the output range, what we said was F4. And then so you do your output range of F4. And then you click OK. And that's going to give you your single factor ANOVA. And then this is the single factor ANOVA that we've come up with. So you've got north, south, and east. So you've got 12, a count of 12, a sum, an average, and variance. And then you got your ANOVA, which you've got your between groups and your within groups. So you've got your SS, which is your sum of squares. DF is your degree of freedom. MS means something. This is F is like your F statistic. And then P value is 2.93 to the negative 11th. And F critical value is 3.2. So your P value is really low. And it's definitely lower than 0.05. So what you're going to do is you're going to reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is no significant difference in values, and the alternate hypothesis is a difference, significant differences between values. Your alpha is your 0.05, that's your significance level, and then we've got our interpretation. So if K15 is less than B21, then you reject the null hypothesis. Otherwise, you fail to reject the null hypothesis. And since this p-value is definitely less than 0.05, the null hypothesis is going to be rejected. And so I've also made a little chart so you can see a chart if you want for sales by region. So we have like blue is north, green is south, and east is red. And so you can see the sales in each region in each month. So that concludes this video. The next video is going to be about binomial distributions, and I hope you decide to watch it.